All good. Perfect. So I'm going to play a video which very beautifully explains that how human emotions have an impact on all the five elements which we are made of: earth, fire, air, water, and Akash, the information field. Just have a look on this video, then we are going to talk more.
I called up Bill Hewlett when I was 12 years old, and he lived in Palo Alto. His number was still in the phone book. And he answered the phone himself. He said, yes? I said, hi, I'm Steve Jobs. I'm 12 years old. I'm a student in high school, and I want to build a frequency counter. And I was wondering if you had any spare parts I could have. And he laughed, and he gave me the spare parts to build this frequency counter, and he gave me a job that summer in Hewlett-Packard, working on the assembly line, putting nuts and bolts together on frequency counters. He got me a job in the place that built them. And I was in heaven.
I wanted to show you the device that really is changing all of this right now. This is the world's first artificial intelligence driven, syncs up to your smartphone.
The German-born theoretical physicist who developed the theory of relativity once said, "Everything is energy, and that's all there is to it. Match the frequency of the reality you want, and you cannot help but get that reality. It can be no other way. This is not philosophy. This is physics." Every object on Earth possesses what is called a natural frequency, which depends on its size, shape, and composition. 1-7. This explains how a singer can shatter a glass by hitting a certain note, which does not happen because the singer's voice has reached a particularly high pitch. Rather, it is a matter of attaining the natural frequency of the glass. As a result, all the energy in the sound of the singer's voice is transferred to the glass, and it shatters.
Okay, so I'll just explain what exactly is trying to show in this video. So this video basically explains that how a positive emotion of a human being has an impact on the complete human health. This experiment was done by Dr. Hans Jenny in 1935, where he was playing the music on a guitar and all the violin, and the soothing music was having a soothing pattern getting created in all the four elements of what human being is made of: earth, fire, air, water, and also the fifth element, which is Akash. Now, what he was trying to prove with this is, if music has an impact on all the five elements in the same manner, our thoughts, the positive emotions, has an impact on the human health. In the same manner, a negative emotion also have an impact negatively on our reality. And that this experiment actually came up with a spark in the scientific industry. And with that, there were so many healing modalities which came up: EFT, pranic healing, Reiki healing, crystal healing, sadhana, meditation. What are these healing techniques doing? They are all manipulating the emotions of a human being. And when the emotions are corrected, what is an emotion? Emotion is energy in motion. And anything which is energy is vibrating in a particular frequency. Whatever we are thinking today, right now, in this session, you have been invited by one of your loved one. I can only guarantee you that if you can be with me for next 40 to 45 minutes, this could be a life-changing session for you. Or you can just sit there and maybe you can have a judgment mindset that let's see what they are trying to show us. It doesn't work, but let me listen. Let me tell you, every thought, nothing is right and wrong. What you are thinking, it might be right for you, but every positive emotion creates positive reality, and every negative emotion creates negative reality. We just have to understand that which emotion causes that positive frequency. All of you guys who has joined right now, let me introduce myself. I am Leena Joy from Bangalore. I'm a certified life coach, and today's session, basically, I'm going to take you through. I'm also a Ho'oponopono healer, and and into this industry, into this technology from last 2 years. Last 10 years, I have opened my own company called Live It Up, and completely into the field of transformation, whether it's mental, emotional, physical, and spiritual. Now, today, what we are going to discuss next 40 to 45 minutes, be with me, where we are going to share the complete science of quantum entanglement, the complete science of quantum physics, how it's going to help the human body to vibrate in a right frequency. If you have any questions which pop up during this complete presentation, please make a note of it. I'm going to take up all the questions of yours at the end. So no questions in between, nothing putting down in the chat. Make a note of it, and I would be happy and I'll appreciate to listen to your questions and answer to all of them as to my best of level what I can do today. So let's get started. Now, today we are going to discuss about a biohacking technology which can optimize a physical and emotional well-being. In the society, if you just turn around and see every family, every house, every loved ones, which you can see in their house, some or the other person is going through one of these problems. Now, these issues, it's found to be very common nowadays, whether it is insomnia, the sleep disorders, whether it is financial stress, whether it is a job loss, loss of direction, depression, anxiety, learning, concentration issues for children, stress from work, from home, I mean, relationship issues, it is come out to be so common. Now, all this, whether you see allopathy, whether you see homeopathy, Unani, any medical industry today claims that everything starts, the root cause is nothing but the stress. Everything starts from your thought level. The stress which gets created, the issues can actually aggravate and get into a disease mode. This I am not saying. There are so many books which has been written. Louis Hay, one of the book which I love the most, Heal Your Life, Heal Your Body, very clearly explains that every emotion can either create an illness or wellness in your body. Now, depending upon the emotions what you are going through, if it is an emotion of fear, it has an impact in your kidney. If it is an emotion of any kind of anger which is suppressed in your body, it impacts your lungs. If it is an emotion of deep sadness and grief, it impacts your spleen, pancreas. Long term stress leads to even diabetes. Now, all this, the lack of joy impacts the heart. Major heart attacks happen because the person has not lived what gives them joy. Now, all these reasons which are coming up, it's very clearly stating that how much a human health is important. We need to understand that how to take care of our emotions. Now, this I am not saying. If you see the famous scientist Nikola Tesla, he called it out 100 years before that if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. What exactly he was trying to tell us? He was trying to tell us that any problem, whether it is at a mental level, whether it is at a relationship level, whether it is at a bank, a money level, you're not satisfied with the money income which is coming up, you're not satisfied with the relationship, you're not satisfied with the job where you are working, you're not satisfied, you're not happy with the diseases in your body. What is the solution? The solution is working on your energy level, working on your frequency and vibration level to live the beautiful life. And he called it out 100 years before. Not just him, the famous, the grandfather of quantum science, Albert Einstein, called it out. Everything in life is vibration. Everything. I mean, what we are thinking, what we are believing, what we are acting, everything is a vibration. Even if I tell you I love you, I mean, the way I tell carries a vibration. If I just say I love you, it doesn't carries any vibration and frequency. Every word, the tone of the vibration, the tone of your speech, the words carry vibration. And whatever we are speaking, whatever we are thinking, how we are acting on those words, it creates a reality. Now let's understand how beautifully There are so many books which has been written, and also this video would beautifully explain that how energy, frequency, and vibration has an impact on the human body. Let's have a look into it, and then we'll connect more.
The closer we are to death.
Yes, you heard it right. The lower the frequency, the closer we are to death. Now, what exactly we are talking about in this video? It was very clearly explaining a normal, healthy body vibrates between 62 to 72 megahertz. And when it drops to 58 megahertz, that's where the human body is more prone to cold, fever. Now, how does it drops? How does the vibration drops? When we are carrying an emotion of fear and insecurity, any kind of fear, whether there is a fear of the food would be on the table for 3 times, whether there is a fear of that the money would suffice the entire month, whether there is a fear of whether this relationship will exist, any kind of fear or insecurity leads to dropping your vibration to 58 megahertz. And that's where the immune system goes down. And when your immune system gets impacted, what happens? We are more prone to virus and bacteria. And that's where we get attacked by all kind of diseases in terms of fever, flu, dengue. Now, if you what happens when the vibration goes down to 42 megahertz? When does that happen? That happens when you have any kind of suppressed emotions, any kind of suppressed anger you have kept in your body for a long time. And when that suppressed emotions leads to depression, it leads to anxiety, and slowly it leads to cancer as well. Now, if we understand this, how beautifully we can take care of our body. Now, imagine a radio station, and can it be possible that when I know that my life is not going as per what I want, can it be like a button, like a radio channel? If I don't like a song, I can change the channel. Do we actually change the channel, or we switch off the radio? When I asked this question in my last presentation, somebody told me we switch off the radio if I don't like the song. No, that's not the solution of switching off the radio. If I don't like my life, I will not suicide. What I will do, I will change the channel. And how beautiful it would be, like a radio channel. If I know that I'm not liking something, just with a click of a button, I can change the frequency and vibration. I can change my disharmony into an harmony into my relationship. I can change the money flow in my account. I can change I can attract the best dream job I want. I can attract the best partner I want. Everything is possible. There is if you have heard about Royal Rife, if you just go to Google in 1934, there was a person called Dr. Royal Rife, and he invented a machine called Rife machine. And that's how it works, like a radio channel. Rife machine was basically able to treat the patients and heal the patients through frequencies. But what happened? He actually invented that machine, and he wanted to prove the world that now the people don't need so much of tablets and side effects. What they need is just to control the frequency. He appointed 16 terminal cancer patients to check whether his machine works. And this all the 16 terminal patients with his frequency therapy, all were cured and healed. What happened? He was actually heading a medical department in US. What happened after this? When the 16 terminal patients were cured and healed, he should have been given a Nobel Prize. But no, he was actually barred from his job, and he was asked to be mum. And in US in 1934, it was called it out that anybody who is performing homeopathy, alternate medicine, Unani, any kind of alternate therapy will be barred except allopathy. But today, we are not living in 1934. Everyone agrees that we need an alternative therapy as well for our well being. And this Rife machine had created a spark in the scientific industry. There were so many books which were written, and you can see on the screen. After that Rife machine, people got really interested in understanding how a frequency can actually help us to live our best life. You can see the body electric, frequency specific microcurrent in pain management, the resonance effect. One of the book where you can see on the left side, The Second Path, written by Marcus Mike. He is the inventor and the owner of the technology which we are going to talk about today. It's very fascinating about his story, which I love the most, that he is a Krishna devotee, came to India when he was just at the age of 20 years. Can you just imagine? I mean, at the age of 16 years, he was interested to learn quantum physics. He was doing his quantum science studies in the university in Germany. He was not getting all his answers. He was looking out for a lot of answers and clarifications. For that, he landed up to India. He stayed in India, in Himalayas, Rishikesh, Mayapur. He also did his certification in astrology. He started teaching astrology in Mayapur University. He has a research consciousness center in Rishikesh. While he was studying and he got all his answers from India, he went back to Germany and he got his mentor. He was working under the mentorship of Burkhard Heim. If you just Google his name, Burkhard Heim, he's a scientist where he was involved in giving the equation for gravity. We have learned in school the three dimension. How many of you remember in fifth standard onwards, we have learned the three dimension X, Y, and Z axis. And Burkhardheim came up with, no, there is not just three dimension, there is a fourth dimension as well. What is a fourth dimension? The time dimension. And quantum science came out with, there is no four dimension, there are 12 dimensions. Burkhardheim came up with the equation in tapping into beyond time, that is sixth, seventh, up to the 12th dimension, a technology which can tap into that. Marcus Mike was learning under Burkhardheim. He was looking out for a person whom he can share this knowledge. I mean, fortunately, Marcus was selected. And with the knowledge of quantum science and the equations to tap into beyond time, the fifth and the sixth dimension, Marcus came out with a mission in his mind that he want to use this technology to come out with helping humanity, raising the consciousness of humanity. He shared his idea with Christian Harper, one of his astrology student. And when he shared this idea with Christian Harper, he's one of the billionaire from Germany again. Both are Krishna devotee. He actually runs a vegan restaurant chain across Europe and US. Also, he heads a hedge fund, which is contributing to the startups worth around $1.6 billion. Now, Marcus understood that if he wants to take the technology to the next level, he actually turned out to be a monk when he was in India. And being a monk, what will be his intention? His intention would to spread the technology as much as possible. But if he has to go to the next level, he understood he need a businessman to help him. And that's where Christian Harper joined hands with him. When he heard about the idea of Marcus, he felt so happy that he literally invested 100 million euros and became the co-founder of the company along with him. Today, he has decided, just 1 week before, he has decided that he will be the CEO of the company as well. Both of them came together and opened up their company in Berlin. The headquarters is in Berlin, Research and Development Center in Kassel Castle. That's where Marcus lives. Today, the company has spread across 57 countries and with a turnover of more than $100 billion. Now, if you just go see what is the technology which Marcus came out with. In 2006, Marcus came out with a technology which is known as time waiver machine. What you are seeing on the screen, the two white color boxes, this is a time waiver machine which has an ability to tap into your beyond time. And that's why time time waver. It can wave time. So beyond time, it can tap into. And the doctor who is sitting behind the Sony Via laptop, what he is doing, he is actually controlling and checking based on the report what is getting generated. The lady who is sitting on the bean bag is holding two copper electrode. The other ends of the copper electrode is connected to the time waver machine. Time waver machine has the ability to analyze the mental, emotional, spiritual, physical imbalances. Not just that, it also gives us in the report that which organs has cells which require, it is vibrating in a low frequency. Not just that, it also gives us the report where any kind of karmic connections, any kind of DNA genes where the problem arises, any kind of deep pain, deep hurts, deep trauma which resides in the body, and it's creating the cells to go down. Not just that, but also understanding if there is any toxins accumulated, if there is any damage in the cell, if there is any regeneration required. All that comes out in the report. Once the report is generated, what does the doctor do? The doctor actually starts sending the frequencies, and with the permutation and combinations of the frequencies, the person is getting those frequencies through the copper electrode. And through this, that this was done from like 2006 to 2019. 2006 to 2019, more than 2,000 doctors, more than 2,000 clinics across the world were using time waver machine. Each time waver machine cost around 50 lakhs to 1 crore only. And it was only given to doctors and quantum scientists. Even if me and you has the money, we can't buy it. You need to be a professional to get it, and then go through a 6 months of training, induction training, before you use it. In India, there are 13 clinics where we are using time waver machine. I am well aware of Dr. Neeta Shah in Mumbai. She's an homeopathy doctor. She's using time waver machine in her clinic. Dr. Raghu Narayan, Dr. Ravi Narayan from Hyderabad, they are using time waver machine in Hyderabad. I have also heard in Bangalore, there are many clinics and hospital where we are using time waver machine. Now, how does it work? It basically works through the brains of the doctors itself. They analyze what is the frequency which will work best for the patient. From 2006 to 2019, this frequency therapy became the Royal Royce of the frequency therapy industry. Now, Marcus, being a monk, he was not very happy with his invention. Though it was doing such a good business across, there were more than 7 crore people who got healed through this frequency therapy. We exactly knew that for depression, for anxiety, which frequency is required. Is it a combination of 211, 501, 2001, 1? It is a combination of the frequencies which was helping people to come out of that ailment. What we did, all this frequency were getting saved in a server in Germany. Now, Marcus, being a monk, he was not very happy with his invention. He got inspired by Steve Jobs, where he wanted this technology to go to every house, every human, where me and you, we can't afford this as well, because each therapy in the clinics were costing around 15,000 to 25,000 per therapy. If you have diabetes, chronic diseases, you literally have to come for minimum 15 sittings. I am not joking. In spite of this high price, even if you go to the clinic today, you need to wait for minimum 3 months to 6 months as a waiting period. There are people, only the rich class, who is able to afford it, but still, because of the kind of results we are getting, there is a waiting period. People are in queue to take these therapies. Now, Marcus wanted to take this into every house. What he did, he, like a supercomputer, when it came in, Harvard Mark, it was like a huge computers where it will not even fit into our houses, and you need to be a software engineer to use it. Today, every person, whether you are a software engineer or not, you can still use the computer. How it was possible? Through the Steve Jobs invention. He came out with desktops. He came out with normal mobiles. Today, what we are using is nothing less than a mini computer in our hand. In the same manner, Marcus converted the entire big time waver machine into a small box, which is known as Healy. 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 Healy does exactly what time waver machine does. It works, if time waver 100% result, Healy is 70 to 75% what time waver does. Time waver is a 1 crore machine. Can you imagine how much will Healy be if it is a 70% what it's doing? I mean, I can tell you, you can relax, because Marcus made it so affordable, and Marcus made it so easy that every layman, whether the person is a software engineer, whether the person is a medical doctor, whether the person is a normal housewife sitting at home, whether this a person is a Reiki healer, pranic healer, doesn't know anything about healing, but still the person has the ability to heal yourself, not just yourself, but also to heal others through this technology called Healy. Now, what exactly is Healy and how does it work? And what does Marcus do to bring out Healy? Now, before we get into the complete video of what Healy is, I just want to make you understand that what Marcus did. Marcus worked with all the software engineers, and he came out with computer algorithm based on the frequencies which were getting stored in the server. Through artificial intelligence via IoT over the cloud, it connects to the app over in our phone, in our smartphone, and through which the Healy gets connected. Now, this complete process of artificial intelligence, which is connecting to the frequencies in the server of time waver. So time waver is a rocket science. Healy is residing on the data of time waver. Now, with this complete process, this was patented. We got certified in this. It has a quantum sensor at the back of Healy, and through which it senses the human body, and it analyzes that which frequencies, whether your mind, body and soul, if there is any kind of imbalances, it actually gives us a report to balance it out and help us to come out to a normal frequency through the quantum science mechanism. Now let's watch a video what exactly Healy is, and we talk more in detail.
Healy is new, Healy is different, and Healy is extremely versatile. This little game changer is the first smartphone-controlled wearable that provides easy support in all important areas of your life with the use of frequencies. Healy analyzes the frequencies you need right now. Then the smart wearable applies subtle currents and individualized frequencies to your body via its electrodes. It strengthens your balance and harmonizes imbalances. Fitness, holistic health, and inner and outer beauty. Healy, over 120 programs to provide energetical support for you, for your body, and for your cells. Every single cell in our body is a small power plant that constantly produces energy. One thing is particularly important for this, the natural cell membrane voltage. And this is where the 1,000 practitioners worldwide, who have seen as many as 500,000 patients. Healy, for me, and for you, and for everyone.
Absolutely. Healy is for you, me, and for everyone. How does it work? It basically has 3 ways of using it. It works on your emotional body. It works on your physical body. While you take care of others, there is a technology which can balance your chakras. Not just that, now this technology basically has a capacity of 9 million frequencies which just get generated through microcurrents. What does Healy do? Healy taps into your 5th and the 6th dimension and analyzes. It taps into the bioenergetic field of a human being, analyzes that which organs has cells which requires frequency, which are vibrating in a low frequency. It also gives you a complete report whether your cells has toxins accumulated, whether your body has a nutritional deficient, whether you need a cell regeneration, whether your chakras are not aligned, the crown chakra needs help, the root chakra needs help, the solar plexus chakra needs help, whichever, it actually gives out a complete report on it. The best thing which happened with Healy was, in Time Waver machine, there were two constraints. One constraint was about the price. The price was too high. The normal middle class cannot afford using the therapies of Time Waver. The price came down, and the second thing which happened was the Time Waver was only given to doctors and therapists. Today, Healy, you don't need to be any qualified healer, or you don't need to be a therapist or a doctor to use it. You can use it at your comfort of your home and take care of your body as a healer does it through their therapies. Now we have different mechanisms of using it. You can see the one which I showed you earlier was through bracelet. This is through ear clip. Now when you put the ear clip, any problem which exists in your throat and above, like your shoulder pain, frozen shoulders, headache, fever, eyes problem, tooth problem, ear problem, hair problem, head harmony, you have to put the ear clip. Through the ear clip, it through microcurrents is passing the frequencies, and it actually helps to harmonize your cell. Just a disclaimer that we don't claim to cure, heal, or diagnose any disease. We claim to harmonize each and every cell of your body, and eventually the body becomes the doctor and the food becomes the medicine. Now that's how Healy takes care of you. Now this is not a technology which someone sitting in Mandya was getting bored and came out one night, overnight the technology was developed. No, it's completely went through a complete science-based approval. 58 countries, 58 laws, 58 governments have approved it. In India, it has been approved as holistic and wellness device. It has a quality and performance seal from Germany. I don't know how many of you are aware. Germany has a very, very strict process of every certification, what they do, or any services, what they provide. We have got a patent technology for the complete AI process and the quantum sensor, which Healy works on. Now, we have got an approval from CE, European Union, and you will see the certificates going forward. Connect with the person who has invited you here. We have 26-page certificates which are available from entire 56 countries. Now, let's understand the science behind Healy. We all know that the upper layer of the body is made up of muscles. What doctors take care is at a symptom level. The tissues and organs which are made up of cells. What are cells made up of? If you go deep down, molecules, atoms. What are atoms made up of? Subatomic particles. And what are subatomic particles made up of? Energy, frequency, and vibration. Where are we working? Healy is working at a quanta level, not at an upper muscle level. We work at a root level. Now, what happens when we work at a root level? We correct the energy, we correct the frequency, we correct the vibration. In turn, what happens? Automatically, the subatomic particles get corrected. Automatically, the atoms get corrected. Automatically, the molecules, cells, and the tissues and organs get corrected. So we go vice versa. But the medical industry goes top to bottom. We go bottom to top. Now, that's where the root cause lies. And that's, I mean, majorly you might have seen a disease going out of the body and coming back. Cancer goes out, comes back. Gallbladder stone goes out, comes back. Why it happens? Because the energy, there are still energetic blockages which are surrounded by us. And these energetic blockages mainly reside on your emotional body. Anything which is not corrected at our emotional body, you will again manifest the same problem, the same relationship challenges, the same money problem, the same health challenges, the same diseases will come back if we are not correcting the energetic blockages. Now, how does it work? Basically, Healy works on your emotional body. As I told you, Healy works in your physical body through microcurrent. Now, all of us understand, in Ayurveda we call it the prana energy flowing through your nadis. In Chinese we call it the chi energy flowing through your meridians. Now, prana is a most vital part of our existence. When we are alive, the prana is alive. When we die, the prana goes off. Now, what is the significance of prana? The prana actually aligns our mind, body, and soul. What does that mean? That means that what we are thinking, what we are speaking, and what is our soul craving for, it is all connected. Now, whenever there is an emotional disturbances in our life, any kind of deep emotions, deep pain, deep hurt, deep insults, deep embarrassments, which we go through in our life since childhood. We feel that we have overcome it, but it is still lying in our body. Now, until and unless we don't remove it, we will keep manifesting or keep attracting the same kind of situations in our life. What does Healy do? Healy helps us to capture the prana of a human being. And once it captures the prana, Healy can read the mind, body, and soul of a human being. Any kind of emotional disturbances which you are going through now, or what you have gone through in the past, even your karmic connections, actually disturbs your prana flow. It created it actually creates a disruption in the flow of prana energy. Whenever there is an imbalance in the emotional body, your prana flow also gets impacted, and in turn the cells in the body start vibrating in a low frequency. What does Healy do? Healy works on all the three levels. It first corrects your emotional body. How does it correct? If we have frequency therapy for Bach flower therapy, sizzler salt, Australian bush flower, I Ching. Now, all this are very, very intense therapy, healing therapy mode. If there are healers out in the world who charge 20,000, 50,000, 1 lakh for different therapies of emotional garbage removal, any kind of emotional baggage which you have kept in the body, we have therapies for it. So all these therapies are available in the app in your smartphone. Healy connects with your smartphone, and through artificial intelligence via IoT, it connects to the frequency, the 9 million frequencies which are getting generated through Healy. Now we analyze the bioenergetic field of a human being, and through a process, the complete training would be provided. How does it work? Now, for our physical body, we have bracelets. Through microcurrent, we heal our body, each and every organ of our body. Now, also, we have remote therapies. Once we capture the prana, we can give remote therapies to each and every organ of our body. Only with remote healing, once the prana is captured, you can go and sit on planet Moon, we can still heal you. It works on quantum entanglement science behind it. Now, the microcurrents which we are using for the physical body, it has been proved from last hundreds of years. There are so many doctors, therapists who are using microcurrents, and we have clinical white papers, research papers on Google. You can Google it, that how microcurrents are helping human being to increase the amino acid transport by 40%. Not just that, which in turn helps the protein synthesis, which is the most which creates a physical life. It is a central blueprint which is stored in our DNA. It increases the protein synthesis by 70%. If you are not able to understand this science, understand it just in a simple language. Morning till evening, we need energy. We need to run around for our daily activities, to run our life. And for that, where is the energy coming from? It is coming from the mitochondria of our cells through ATP production. When we use Healy, the ATP production in the mitochondria of our cell rises up to 500%. And that's why you will see people are highly energetic who are using Healy. Now, we have two very eminent scientists, Robert Obecker and John Normstorm. Both of them. One is he is basically written a book which was considered as a Bible in electromedical, The Body Electric. He's a surgeon in electrotherapy. Professor John Normstorm, he got a Nobel Prize, and he was the chairman of the Committee for Medicine. Now, both of them came together and came out with an analysis that there is something known as cell membrane potential model. The vibration, each and every cell of our body, God has made us in this manner that there is an electrical charge. That's why we say that we are electrical beings. Whatever we think, it's an electrical charge which goes out to the world, and based on the feelings, the emotions, what we are carrying, we attract it back into our life. Now every cell has an electrical charge which it is vibrating at. The voltage from the inner cell membrane and the outer cell membrane, the differential voltage is known as cell membrane potential voltage. If the voltage is between minus 90 to minus 60, it is a healthy and a young cell. If it goes between minus 60 to minus 30, that's where inflammation creeps up. All the arthritis, spondylitis, any itis problem comes up with this inflammation process. Now, if it goes beyond minus 30 to minus 10, it's an uncontrolled cell division. Autoimmune diseases, cancer arises at this stage. What does Healy do? Healy takes care through harmonization, the aging sick cells back to the healthy cell by working at a cell membrane potential voltage. Now, it has gone across to more than 20 million applications across the world. Today, we are in 57 countries and more than 2,500 professional users are using it. If you see on the screen, Caroline McMcCain, all this, you just Google their names. They are the who and who of their industry. All of them are more than 25, 30 years into quantum science. The quantum specialist, one of them, Caroline McMcCain, I personally met her in Vietnam and Bali, and a very beautiful human being, and the kind of knowledge and the intelligence she carries. She is basically a frequency therapist for NFL players. Like we have IPL in India, we have NFL, National Football League, where the football players on the ground, when they get injured, they are not given medicine or injections. They are given frequencies to recover back. Caroline McMcCain is an official frequency healer, not just for the players, but for a lot of celebrities across Europe. Caroline has collaborated with us, and all the frequencies which she has developed for them is also available for us now. Now, if you go back, did I miss something? Yeah. So basically, if you see here, the kind of frequencies which are available in Healy, whether it is physical, mental, emotional, I mean, wish I can go to a doctor and say that my child is not studying and it is giving me stress. I mean, doctors will not have medicines for it. Wish I can go to the doctor and say, today looks like my root chakra is not aligned. I have problems in the money flow. Doctors will not have any solution for it. And wish I can go and tell the doctor that my husband is not listening to me. I'm going through relationship challenges. But let me tell you, any challenge which you are going through in your life, we have a frequency for it. Not just for your health challenges, where your spleen, pancreas are not working in a right manner, whether your liver, heart, gallbladder, intestine, whether it is a physical challenge or whether it is an emotional, relationship, spiritual, everything, we have frequencies to correct it. How beautiful it is. Can you just imagine that I can literally run a family harmony, a relationship harmony, and I can have the most beautiful, the kind of energy which I can create at my house. I could experience it. I'm waiting for all of you to experience it as well. We have frequencies for productivity. Can you imagine? I mean, the job where you are working, the business where you're working, we have frequency to raise up your productivity. It will tell you what you need for your business to correct it. We have beauty, not just the outer beauty, but the inner beauty as well. Any kind of addictions, whether it's a smoking addiction, whether it's an alcohol addiction, we have inner contentment, inner unity. It's mostly the problem where the person is not contented with itself, and we have contentment, inner unity frequency, so that the person becomes satisfied and come out of all the kind of addiction. We have so many testimonies where people have gone through it and seen the result. Now, if you see this in European Union, it has been certified as a class 2 medical device for chronic pain, fibromyalgia, skeletal pain, migraine, and all the supportive treatment of mental illness, depression, anxiety, related sleep order. It's very unfortunate that the medical industry only understands this. Healy can do much beyond it. Now, if you see the certification, we have certification wherein from FDA who has cleared it, and there is a frequency experience group where all the doctors, people like you and me who are using Healy, more than today it is more than 70K people who are available here and who shares their testimony. I have taken few screenshots for today's our meeting. If you see, the person is talking about the middle box. What you are seeing, the middle portion is the detox. It's a detox frequency which is available in Healy. The first one you can see, pure, is basically for purification. It purifies each and every cell of your body. Care, it is for building your immune system, balancing out your immune system. Being is for your soul level. Energy, it increases the ATP level. Relax, it is activating your parasympathetic nervous system. Release, it's releasing the pain of your body. It acts like a painkiller. Now, all these frequencies with no side effect, no shuttling between home and hospital, no shuttling between any kind of 3 times tablets. Just imagine how beautiful it will be if the doctor will tell you to stop your tablet. We never tell to stop your tablet. We never tell to stop your diagnosis. We always say that use Healy, correct your frequency, go for the checkup, and the doctor will tell you to stop your medication. Now, if you see, Clara is talking about the medication which she was taking for her menstruation. Every woman, every girl who goes through this pain every month, and it becomes really painful where we have to step out of the house, work, cook food inside the house in spite of the pain, and there was no other alternative but to pop up tablets in the body, which has very severe side effects. Now, using the frequencies, Clara was able to come out of it, and she says so beautifully that using Healy for 2 months, I don't need any pain tablets, and I have more extra energy. I can go my life as normal. There are depression cases. If you see, just with the detox cycle, I am showing you only detox. Initial 7 days, we ask you to do a detox of your body. Only with the detox, people are able to come out of menstruation pain, depression, long lasting depression, which she has used before and after. She has given the picture. Now, there are various testimonies. I can't spend more time on it. We have millions of testimonies which are available on Google, on YouTube. If you see here, chronic pain, chronic back pain, joints, sleep disorder, migraine, depression, anxiety. She basically was going through migraine and was on anti-seizure medication. Just by using Healy, now she doesn't no longer on any medication. There is something known as, on stress, you get a fracture. Now, a back fracture, I have never heard about it. Now, this is something new which I came to know, that stress can cause you even a back fracture, chronic stress fracture. Now, she had a very bad pain, and she was not able to bend while brushing her teeth. Now, today she calls it out that today she is able to run around, sleep like a baby, run around with a 4-year-old baby just by using Healy. Now, there are various skin issues, and we have got testimonies on so many skin problems, eczema, all kind of skin issues with the people goes sensitivity. I have seen miraculous result by using Healy therapies. Gastrointestinal, prostate problems. This person went through a prostate problem. I mean, I just recently received a testimony where one of the parents, they were not able to the the grandfather was not able to go till the bathroom, and he will leak off, and he was suffering with prostate problem. Just by using Healy, now it got corrected. Imagine how beautiful life we can give to our parents at their old age. They don't have to suffer till the last breath. When they are with us, they are absolutely in a normal health. We have concentration and learning and concentration. I have used it at my home. My daughter, 10th class, and the girl who has never touched 60% passed out with 92% in the 10th standard. And I mean, it's not just me. Every person who is uses for their children, not just for children, even for us, when we need extra help in memory, concentration, we can use this frequency, and you can see marvelous result. Internet addiction, today we don't have to scold the children for any kind of radiation impact, any kind of outside energy, black magic, evil eye, geopathy, vastu impact, planetarium impact, radiation impact. We have a protection shield for your children. Not just that, if it has already impacted, we can actually correct it as well. Now, weight loss, weight management, we have digital nutrition. Can you imagine digital nutrition coming up in the form of giving you digitally? I mean, we basically help you to absorb the nutrition which you take from your food. Now, in spite of eating all the organic food, nuts, vegetables, I don't know what not, but still we are suffering. Why? Because the cells are not absorbing the nutrition what you are eating. When you start using Healy, it flushes out the toxins. The cells are working 100%, and then the nutrition start absorbing 100%. That's how Healy also helps in doing a weight loss by giving the right nutrition, not just by cutting the diet. Now, if you see, I'm just moving my picture so that it doesn't blocks my path. I am on my iPad, so my picture is coming there. I'm not able to close it. So anyhow, now this is job and sleep disorders, fatigue, extreme stress, sleep, balanced sleep, activation. Try out. I can tell you, even when I travel in flight, I use these therapies. And when I have a early morning flight, almost like entire night I wouldn't have slept. So I take bed rest in the flight while I'm traveling, and I can tell you, such a beautiful, I will be fresh for the entire day. This is skin related. There are major testimonies. I don't have time to go through it. I mean, this I can't stop. So this is basically for pets. I am an animal lover. If there are any pet parent here, I can tell you it is a blessing to you. I mean, I don't remember when did my pets, I have pets at home, when did I took them to the vet last? I don't remember except vaccination. I feed 50 dogs on the street, and I keep them on Healy. Now imagine, I mean, how beautiful it could be that you are able to help them not to go through emotional tantrums. Because if a pet is not well at home, I can go, I mean, I know the stress which I go through. If they don't eat, I skip my meal. So that level I am connected. Only a pet parent would able to understand me. This is a blessing in my life, and thank you for this technology which has come up. So just listen to a maybe a minute video where they are explaining how beautifully Healy has impacted their life.
What do you think of Healy? I absolutely love it. Like,
Lovely.
Absolutely. The level of intelligence this device has is mind blowing. I can literally tell you, there are things which I have never revealed to my parents, to my loved ones, to my husband, to my children, but Healy knows it. I mean, if there is any thought which has come in your mind, which is not letting you get into your next level, Healy will bring it out in the report. You just can't hide anything from Healy. All the dark secrets would be coming out. And I mean, I'm just kidding. We have Healy given to Sri Ravi Shankar Guruji, and I can tell you, I thought like he might not be using it. He might just be keeping it with him, and he might use it for his people coming out in the ashram. But very recently, I came to know that he uses it also. Only the highly spiritual people understand frequencies. Basically, we showed him he can analyze a human being by just scanning the body and telling that where are the chakras, whether the chakras are aligned or not. And then he makes the person do the kriya and then aligns the chakra. So basically, we told him to analyze a person, check the chakras. We ran Healy, and then we told him to analyze the person again. he was surprised and shocked that a technology can align the chakras, what a Kriya was doing. And I mean, I am not supposed to announce it, but we are also talking to him of signing an MOU with him where we can help his people in art of living using Healy for the people who are coming out in pain. Now, there are so many people, ministers, tribal minister, who has taken Healy from us. And okay, I'll jump into what exactly is how you can use it in your home. Now, as I told you, that Time Waver was a 1 crore machine. Healy does 70% of what Time Waver does. If you compare what 70% what Time Waver did, that means it should be 70 lakhs. But Marcus, being a monk, he made us so affordable for us that it starts from 41,000 and it goes across to 3,29,000. And the best part is that this month, Healy is conducting, not just this month, we had last month as well. And so company has been very, very kind enough to give us a 30% off on the top three models. So the top three models which you see 3,29,000, this month is coming in 2,77,000. The one which you are seeing 2,05,000, it's coming in 1,52,000, and Healy Resonance is coming in 91. Then we have 82 and 41. What is the difference between them? It's basically the frequency therapy. The package has frequencies. If you see 10 Healy programs coming in 41, 61 comes in Healy Holistic, 98 frequencies comes in Healy Resonance, 124 in Healy Resonance Plus, and 229. Now, what is it that you are not getting, which is available in the highest and on the lower model? The highest model has digital nutrition, beauty programs, beauty frequencies, cell regeneration. If you have heard about stem cell therapy, if you go to the celebrities use it for anti-aging, and also people who go through knee replacement, hip replacement, before they go for the surgery, doctors ask them to try the stem cell therapy. Now it is for cell regeneration. Each cell regeneration injections require 50K to 1 lakh per 6 months. We have got frequencies for lifelong for the vital. It's known as vitalization. It is available in the highest module, which is coming down to 2,77,000. Then we have Healy Resonance, which has all the aura program, chakra programs, Bach flower therapies, everything, Bach flower, sizzler salt, all the emotional baggage removal would be available in all the three from 91, 1,52,000 and 2,77,000. Whichever model is comfortable for you, you can go with that. Once you take Healy and order it, connect with the person who has invited you. They are going to give you a website link and through which you need to order. Once you order it and it comes to your house, from that day till 14 days, company gives you a trial period wherein there would be a power buddy who will be working with you. There would be expert healers who will be working with you to guide you, handhold you, spoon feed you, take care of you. The initial 7 days would be a detox cycle. By the third and the fourth day, you might feel little fever or in terms of any little loose motions, but nothing to worry. Healy will take care of you. It's a complete detox. It is a detox of all the emotional pain which is stored in your body. It is a detox of all the harmful toxins which is stored at your cell level. Now, once the cleanup has happened, then we analyze your body. What are the top 5 areas which need attention? Based on that, we give you frequencies. We do aura therapy. We run Bach flower therapy. There is a complete protocol on how the training would be conducted, and you would be trained for that. You don't have to worry. Anybody comes back and tells me that Healy is not working, no, Healy always work. We don't work in the right protocol. We don't know how to use the frequency. And that's why there is a correct guidance which is required. There is a correct hand holding which is required. It's not like just going on to the website and buying it and then a plastic box lying at your home. It needs a complete hand holding, at least for initial 14 days. Initial 14 days is your trial period. If you don't like it in this, even at the 7th day, 8th day, get the money back. This is a company policy where there is a refund of 14 days. And usually 80% people, after the detox cycle, on the 8th day, they fall in love with Healy. And mostly after that, in next 7 days, they order another Healy for their family member. That's the kind of cycle we have seen it. You can experience it. I can only tell you, we spend so much of money on our health insurance, which is not even giving us the insurance. We pray that we don't use that money. But imagine buying less than your car which is standing at your parking will not take care of your health. The iPhone which you're holding in your hand will not take care of your health. Your smartphone which you're wearing in your hand to check your heartbeat, BP, pulse, will not correct it. But here there is a technology which will tell you everything which you are going with, your nervous system, your gastrointestinal issues, your chakras, your problems with your stress level. Now, not just it will tell you, but it will correct it through quantum frequencies. What could be the price of that? What could be the price of my daughter sitting there completely protected, protected from the outside energy, protected from the radiation impact, protected from the negative energy which is outside in the market? What is the price for it? What is the price for that she can always be a topper in the college? What will be the price for that my husband being with me in love harmony, we are staying together in so much of love and freedom? What is the price for that? That what is the price for getting your business to the next level? What is the price for each and every organ working at 100%? I don't know, but I claim it as priceless. I don't know about you, but experience it. Experience it so that you can come back in this lifetime. When we die, we are not going to take any money or FD or gold jewelries or diamond with us. What is it that we are going to take? Our soul never dies. What does the soul takes with us? The experiences. Let's create beautiful experiences when we are alive with the best of frequencies and harmony in our life. There is one more product which we have. It's known as Mac Healy. Now, Healy, it is an individualized, customized frequency. What does that mean? That means it has a quantum sensor at the back of it. When you are taking a sleep program and I am taking a sleep program, maybe for me, my sleep is impacted because of my children or because of my husband or because of my in-laws. But for you, the sleep might be impacted. It might be because of your girlfriend or because of your home surroundings or because of your boss in your office. We don't know the reason, but Healy knows it. Whatever reason you're going through, Healy will give you the exact frequency, what you need based on your lifestyle and the patterns which you're going through. It is an individualized, customized frequency. If it is a 1 hour program, maybe for you it might over in half an hour, and for me it's continuing for 1 hour. Healy will decide, artificial intelligence decide how much is required and how much it's not required. So you will never get addicted to it. Mac Healy is a fixed frequency. It is for your harmonizing your environment. It will also correct the water you are drinking. I don't know how many of you are aware. The water filter which is at your home, the water what you're drinking, it carries memory. Before you drink the water, just put it on top of it and run 10 minutes water harmony programs, frequency programs. It changes the molecular structure of the water and it also energizes the water. Any kind of conflict, any kind of emotions, any kind of disharmony at home, your water absorbs it. And when you drink it, you carry the toxins inside. Now, before you drink anything, in every glass of water, I would request you to harmonize it. Till the time Mac Healy is coming to you, you can also harmonize, passing and affirmations, your thoughts, your frequency. Remember, your thoughts carry frequency. So whatever you're thinking while drinking the water is absorbing it. Now, it has water programs. It has programs of prosperity, family harmony, relationship, chakra balancing. Keep it on the center table where your entire family is. Keep it on your office table where your entire employees are. If your boss is really making your life pathetic, keep it near to your boss. I assure you, you will see magical result. It has cell harmony, chakra balancing, prosperity, relationship, kitchen, food, When the cooking is happening, keep it in the kitchen. When you're eating food, the frequencies with your food, that gets literally transformed. Now, this has programs of Caroline McMcCain, who is an official healer for NFL and a lot of celebrities in Europe. All the Caroline programs are available as a part of Mac Healy. The best part is this product is 292 product, and Healy was actually 242 this month, both together. That's why I told Healy Professional is coming in 277,319. Why? Because along with 242, just giving 35,000 extra, you are getting a prosperity for lifelong. It has never happened in the history of Healy that Mac Healy Professional is given to you in just extra 35,000. Never ever. We felt like the company has gone crazy. They actually came out with an Independence Day offer last month, and with the demand in the market, they have extended it till 18th. Till 18th of this month, you are getting both together in 277. I got it separately. I paid for 292, I paid 242. So imagine around 6 lakhs product, you are getting half the price, 20% off. And this is only till 18th. Don't miss the offer, because anyhow, even if you buy it, you don't like it. What are you worrying? Your money is not going anywhere. It's a trial period. So use at least the trial period. You never know. We always say that, what if it doesn't work? What if it works? What if the money frequency changes? What if the all that issues what you're going through, diabetes, depression, anxiety, stress, what if you are able to come out of it? What if there is a love and harmony more and more in your house? Just imagine, 14 days, it's not a big period. In this period, you let's experience something with God wants to send you in your life. We have worked enough with our talent, with our skills. It's time wherein we need that extra cosmic energy. We need an extra community, a community of all the spiritually evolved people. And today I can assure you, the people, when you connect with this community, you will feel you are in right place. Not just right place, right product, right people matters a lot for your day-to-day living. Now, I would end my session. I could open it up for questions. I'll just close my screen so that, one second, I'll stop the sharing. Yeah, I'm back. Okay, I hope all of you can see me. Great, fantastic. So, oh, I could see Nitya ma'am on the screen, Ganpati, Inya, Deepti, Padmani ma'am, my inspiration, my role model. And we have got Namita ma'am here, Padmani ma'am's sister from Surat, Lanan Deepti, Dr. Ashka from Surat, and Padgan Indrani ma'am. Thank you so much for being on video. Nafis on video. And I'm so happy to see all of you guys. If you are here for the first time, yeah, Sanjay ji from Hyderabad, Gopal Krishnan ji, awesome. Just love to seeing all of you. The purpose of this meeting is that anybody who has come for the first time, understanding the quantum frequency therapy, I'm here to answer all your questions. Even if you don't want to ask the question here, you can connect with the person who has invited you, to the session. And if you want, they can connect you to me for one-to-one as well. So go and experience a demo. There is no harm in connecting with the person, and connect remotely, and we can do a demo for you. We can show you how we can capture the prana energy and run through the complete aura analysis, run through complete where are the imbalances in the body, and see how much you resonate with it. If you're able to resonate with it, go use it. If you're not able to resonate with it, it's okay. At least you came to know about a technology like this, which exists in 57 countries, and people are literally creating a revolution around. So anybody who has question can raise their virtual hand so that I can unmute you and answer to you. Who all have come new here? Can you raise your hand if you are new here, first time you have come here? Virtual hand. There is a virtual hand bottom. You will not be able to unmute yourself. Padgan Indraini, ma'am. Okay, fantastic. So, ma'am, looks like you have understood everything. Manisha, fantastic, awesome. Okay, I have just initiated to unmute yourself. Sometimes you know what happens when there is a group of people over here, people feel little hesitant to ask questions. So I'm making you comfortable that this is all our family. Ask your questions because your questions can help somebody else. There might be a question in someone's mind, but they are not asking. They are waiting for you to ask. So Manisha, Pratna, Shrikant, if you have any questions, I have given you permission to unmute yourself. Looks like I did a great job. All of you has become a quantum scientist already after this session. No questions? I could see the hand raised. If you have any questions, you can ask, or else we can wind up the session. And if you want a demo, let me know. I can arrange a one-to-one demo. The reason I'm not doing a demo here, so that we can personally connect one-to-one, and personally we can show you what are the challenges in your body, in your karmic life, and let's see how much you resonate with it. So connect with the person who has invited you and go for a demo session. So okay, so your hands are raised just because I asked you, you have come here for the first time, or you have a question. Now I'm not able to understand. So I lower the hand. Now raise it again if you have a question. I have lowered all your hand. Now if you have a question, raise it. Okay, Sanjay ji. Sanjay ji, you are already part of the team. Okay. Yes, Sanjay ji.
What a beautiful presentation, Leena ji.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So proud of you. You're so precise and so, to the point. I was remembering one demo what you gave me a couple of weeks back. I did the same just now to a client in Canada. He was zapped with the readings. He says, "You are a magician." I said, "No, I'm not a magician. The magician is Healy."
Healy is a
Yes.
magician. Absolutely. Nothing could be hidden from Healy.
So
Fantastic.
the next question he was asking me, how can I get it in Canada? I showed him the Canada shop.
Super. Yeah, so we are in 57 countries, and every country we have an office set up, and you will have a link, an office, a support provided in your own country. You don't have to tie up with India. Wherever people is, there you will have a support team to take care of you, handhold you. The person who has connected you to Healy will actually give you training. Okay. So I feel we are good to wind up the session and connect with the person, and then we'll set up the demo session. Bye-bye, all of you. Have a great day. And okay, someone not release. Okay, fantastic. I'll take up the questions individually, one-to-one. Love you all. Bye-bye. See you.